How to hide comment location on your blog or website on Blogger. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to blogger.com. This is the dashboard homepage, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is just click here on this settings option, and after you click on it, it will take you here. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just scroll down until you find this comments option. Now from here you will be able to click on comment location and choose hide right here, and then click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can watch our educational blogger videos and tutorials. See you later, and thank you so much.